Detected.
Enemy force detected.
Who's detected? Okay, stay at the radar. Just hold that B, captains. Let's see what we see over here and see.
Engine boost deactivated.
Should I pop one and see what's around here?
Yeah, we'll go.
It's clear.
Okay, my shack.
It's behind the island.
We'll go. We'll go.
He's far away.
Oh, he's smoked up as well. Okay. I'm not sure whether it is in radar range. My shack will hang on a second. No, it's just out of radar. Got me in radar.
Yeah, just got radar now. Just stay away from sea.
What was the range of the terrible torps?
AK
What was the
torps.
range? AK,
AK
right.
torps.
Stein,
But it's got
they made an update.
powerful guns as well.
Okay, let's push from the left side.
Take your map to your press the tab and you put a cursor on the ship, then you can see what they have.
Okay, not good.
Yeah, you're right, sorry.
No problem. It's a new thing. You've been away too long. Be careful, Ken. There's two ships in front of
I've
you.
had it, and I'm in major danger.
All stations.
I should have them now.
Engine boost activated.
Nope, he didn't come around the island. But he's super low. Just push A, can you do that?
Acknowledged.
No. But be careful. They're hunting the island, so...
Target position. Critical engine damage. Problem solved, sir. All stations.
Managed to get out of there.
Nice.
No, I'm spotted. Fuck.
Torch looking good.
Okay, not good.
Nice, 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 nice.
Oops.
Nice.
So now I'm gonna wait and be ready on sea.
Meow.
Good game, everyone.
Oh, dan nog hier staan. Dan nog.
Yeah, don't use killing. Oh, it's just a paper ship compared to bombs. So you just bow in and you can't do anything to it. I need a fire on it.
Okay, gents, let's rock and roll. The kid's in trouble if he comes around here.
Yeah, so I see him.
I'm more than ready, my mate.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, I'm thinking okay, he's not going anywhere, we got him in sight.
I'll take him. Just
Nice.
Nice.
Nice work.
he's gone. Should we make a sandwich?
Yeah.
Our victory.
Move in, guys, we got this.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Roger.
Oh, yes. Not so worry, gents, finish that sucker.
Well, well.
GG, guys.
Have we got time? Are we over on the... 2 minutes over.
No.
How are these, gents? Great.